Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Black Shark 3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open this up. And as you can see, we are in the standard photo mode. So let's move to more advanced options. We can do it by using this button in the right corner. When we tap on this, we get access to it. And from here, let's move to this button. This is the straighten, so this is our leveler here. By tapping on this, we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works. And as you can see, it generates as this line. So this is helpful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. So this is how it works here. And of course, to turn it off, we go back to this button in the right corner and tap on this button again. As you can see, for now it's gone. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.